went to Reno today, and we came back, and this is not rain, folks, this is dirt. We are having a major dust storm all over the valley in which I live. That's just great. I can actually taste the dust and the dirt in my mouth. It is so bad. That's just a huge dust storm. And the wind is so bad that it almost blew our car off the road. Right here, there's some big mountains right there, and you can't even see them because of the dust and dirt. Yeah, that's my little grandson. We took him in for some immunization shots in Reno today, and I accompanied my daughter, and this is what we got when we get back in the valley. You can hardly see anything. It's just really nasty. Really hard winds. You can't even see the mountains behind that little bit of a phase back there. There's actually really big mountains behind that you can't even see. This is what we got going on. Fun times living in the desert. This, folks, is a Mormon cricket. Look at that thing. That is one ugly bug, and it is huge. It's about 2.5 inches to 3. Oh, here he comes. Okay, enough. I'm out of here. They jump. Bye.